This is Dan with Hydro-Chem Systems out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. Here is our hot water high volume 3500 psi 9-gallon hot water pressure cleaning system, the SCU 3500 9KAF. We also have a 9 VAF with a Vanguard 31 horsepower engine, 896 cc. This one's a 747 cc Kohler. They're deluxe, what they call the ultimate line. It actually has a 120 volt 120 volt burner system, 120 volt onboard generator, lifetime warranty on the heating coil, all stainless steel frame, got adjustable temperature, high pressure soap injection. This trailer package also has an inlet injector or a downstream injector with a triple soap control on there, and a 535 gallon tank, wastewater recovery and filtration system on the back. This is mainly a training video for our client that this is actually shipping down to Georgia. So I'm going to run through the startup procedures and how to operate it right now. So first of all, when you get to the machine, you want to open a ball valve, make sure you release the pressure so you're not trying to start the engine under pressure. That'll destroy the starter. You want to make sure you have at least one valve or gun open. It could be a gun and wand also. We already showed this earlier, but the dipstick is here. We did already check the engine oil. The pump oil is here, which is the site-wise one, even with the red dot. It is electric here. And it's a little cold out right now. It's actually about 48 degrees this morning here in Grand Rapids, Michigan on the second day of October. You want to make sure you have your burner switch off. That's your burner switch. It operates the heater. This is an auxiliary switch for the recycling unit. It's on the back of the trailer or any other electrical you want to run off of that. Turn your thermostat to the off position. Go ahead and stroke the engine. The throttle is automatically set at full throttle at all times because you have an onboard generator that has to run at a fixed RPM. You don't want to adjust that or have that thing where your idle isn't set at the perfect 3,450 RPM under a load. We'll go ahead and start the engine here. Turn the burner on and set the thermostat probably around 180 degrees just to get it to start up and run. That's the initial startup procedure here after you check the oil, fuel, everything else. I'm going to go ahead and relocate the camera to the back and show you how to connect it to the gun and operate that. So give me 1 second to run it around here. You can see the triple 65 gallon tank, the 535 water tank, high pressure hose reel, wastewater recycling system in the middle, spot free tank. Alright, I'm going to run the gun and hose around to the other side. I'll connect it to gun, spray the gun for a second, then I'll connect it to the vacuum recovery surface cleaner, etc. You can do it if it's been running. Go ahead and open the valve again. Gonna release any pressure. This is a nice valve if you're doing roof cleaning and stuff like that with a surface cleaner. This allows you to shut off the unit, disconnect it, open the valve, start the engine from the ground. You don't have to drag the surface cleaner on and off the roof. Or if you're using other extension tools like 20-foot extension poles or the different surface cleaners, you want to go from a gun and wand to pop through the gun with the surface cleaner attachment. The valve works out pretty nice. simple since it's a tutorial video. Pull the collar back. Go ahead and push that in. Make sure it's connected and even. Open the valve, you know you got a good tight seal. Now, this is 3,509 gallons and it actually has some stick behind it. Right now the wine is already warm. I just started the unit with the heater and it's cold out. It's in the 40s. Maybe now it's probably in the mid-50s. It's already hot. Make sure it gets hot. You're good to go. Now you can gun them on. We have a tip holder here. If you want to go from the 0 to B tip to a fan nozzle, we got a rubber coated tip on these. So you don't burn your hand. Rubber coated nozzle. Now the nozzle here is a dual operated nozzle. This is only set up at 4.5 gallons a minute. That would be 4.5 at 3,500. Let me go grab the same nozzle again. Great having the tip holder. So at 4.5 gallons, great for chewing gum removal, curb cleaning, curb stop cleaning, or it's more like a detail type clean. Then when you put the 9 gallon in, I'll show you both of these again, one after another. You'll see the power difference. This is a 40-degree angle at 4.5 gallons a minute. Okay? That's your typical spray for a little 13 horsepower pressure washer. Maybe an 8. Now, when we jump up to a 9 gallon a minute, this machine automatically compensates itself for the increase in flow. In the 9 gallon, you're going to get triple the speed. If you're watching them building a house down, a tractor trailer, concrete cleaning, the higher volume right there between the two, that 9 gallon will triple your speed over the 4.5. So two 4.5 gallon machines does not equal 1.9. It will take 3 of those machines to equal the cleaning power and speed of a 9 gallon a minute. Alright, now with the valve, hold the valve again. Now if I want to go right to my surface cleaner, I don't have to go back to the machine, which is good if you're 200 feet away from the tank. Run that right this second. You would pull out the vacuum hose off the reel and then connect the other end of the vacuum hose to the top of the vacuum and turn both units, the suspension pump and that'll vacuum up the wastewater. I just ran with a 48-inch surface cleaner that does not have recovery on it, but it actually will clean a full 49.5 inches, so it'll clean a full 4-foot sidewalk in one pass. The stainless steel unit with the vacuum hose is a 30-inch diameter vacuum recovery system that cleans 24.5 inches at a time with full vacuum recovery, so you're cleaning and recovering at full pressure and full vacuum. Then the unit on the end here, since this trailer package is what we call our ultimate fleet washing and commercial truck washing or fleet washing package and commercial cleaner, that is our undercarriage cleaner. This is a fixed high reach undercarriage cleaner with vortex nozzle, which allows it to shoot that much higher up to the undercarriage of tractor trailers and equipment. I'm going to pull the trigger to show you that. I actually move the camera back to make sure we don't get the camera wet. So here's what this will do when it comes to cleaning undercarriage. One of multiple versions of undercarriage cleaner that we have. So we have the undercarriage cleaner, the 48-inch surface cleaner. We also have a 60-inch model which will do 5-foot wide sidewalks in one pass. Back recovery surface cleaner. We have over probably 15 additional types of surface cleaners for roof cleaning, deck cleaning, any kind of general purpose operation from a 8-inch model, 12-inch, 20-inch, 24-inch, 28-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch model, 48-inch, all the way up to a wide 60-inch wide surface cleaner attachment. I don't think anybody else in the industry has more variety of commercial and industrial grade surface cleaner attachments than we do. We have over 500 different model pressure cleaning systems. Hydro-Tek, Pressure Pro, Magnum, Largo, EPPS, Aladdin, anything to meet your needs. We're very wholesale. We do complete turnkey packages, hands-on training. Today I got a guy up from North Carolina who's buying a system from us, so we're going out to do fleet training with him, on-site doing some truck washing, in-house training, book training, everything and everything you need. And now we also offer ongoing, unlimited, and over the phone or internet-based training programs. We'll give you training guides, etc. We believe a well-trained cleaning contractor is one that's going to succeed and grow, and the more they grow,